Hi guys, this is the video for solid of revolution, creating 3D surface around a real object. Now I'm using GeoGebra here. I have done few things already, but I can explain you what I did. First of all, I inserted one image of any object. Maybe you take from internet or real. For example, I have taken this real image of one toy apple kind of. So I inserted this image and then I rotated and made it horizontal and then set on scale. For example, a real apple, if you see, that would be from 8 to 9 centimeter height and 8 to 9 centimeter of width. So that's how I made it. I tried to make it perfect approximately. Now after that, once image is inserted and set on scale, you have to put that image on background. Let me show you if you want to see this. Okay, for example, I am on this point. If I click on object properties, I must see my picture, and if I see on basics, I can see on background image or without background. So I have set on background so that I can see all the X numbers or Y values. Okay, now once it's done, now it's your turn to plot points, because first I want to get curve around its surface and then I'm going to rotate it, which will be visible in 3 dimensions. Okay, so let's put some points on this. Okay, so you can start putting like this. For example, I have done for few points, but I'm just trying to do here again to show you. So you can do like this and then you carry on till this point. Okay, for example here. Now I have done already, so I'm not going to do them again. So I will delete them quickly and or just hide them so that we don't need to see them. So but if I show you my points, these are C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. That's it. So I want to do till M. Once your points are done, then we are going to use one special command which is called fit poly. In fit poly, you need to know two things: list of the points, degree of the polynomial. Now I don't know which degree of polynomial will be suitable for my curve, so I want to make it variable. So for that reason, I have to insert one slider. So if you click here on slider, you can insert your sliders. I have done already. Okay, this A slider is showing the degree of polynomial which I'm going to use now. So guys, use this function fit poly. Remember to enter in caps. So caps on. I'll start from C. A and B are not my points. A and B are just for the pictures. So I'll start from C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M is my last point. And then degree of the polynomial. So don't enter a number 2, 3 something. Enter letter A, which is variable. So I'm using a small a and then I will see. Okay, now you can see A is 1.4 and it's a straight line. So for that I need to change my degree. So let's change the degree so that we can make it accurate curve. So you can see now for 3.9, maybe it's for 4. If you go on, no problem. So you can try which is your best curve, best fit curve, you can say. So I'll go back to 4 because that was quite yes. Okay, and you can move these points a bit on left or right, up and down to make your perfect curve. Now I'm going to see the curve clearly, so I will hide my all points. I'll just see first and last point. Okay, so yeah, I can see my curve. If you would like to see more bold, you can go and change its properties. Color, blue is okay, so let's put it blue. And then style, so that you can change the thickness. unchanged, dashed, or invisible, or line style you can change. So I'm done with this. I can see my curve is approximately fit for upper part of my apple. Okay. Now I want to control my curve, because I don't want to see before C and after M. So I'm going to click here and I will use the parenthesis and will control my values. You can see my C is 0.88. So it must be from 0.8 onwards. So bigger than 0.8 and less than, what is last, M is 8. So let's put 8 now, or maybe 8.1 you can put. Okay, so yes, I can see my curve only from C to M. Now guys, I'm going to use another command which will create a surface, but the surface will be seen only in 3D Geogebra. So if you are using online Geogebra, you need to open 3D app, or if you are using some simple software, then you can click here on view and go on 3D graphics. Okay, so let me enter that function first, but let me show you what I have done in 3D. So that's how you will see in 3D. Okay, you can see how it is, the curve and even the perfect way of representation you can see. Yes, now I'm going to use that special command which will only used for surface. Okay, so that command is saying surface function and angle. You see here function and angle. So I'm going to use my function as fx and my angle. So angle is not again fixed, so it has to be a slider. So you better insert slider for an angle. So I have already done. So I'm going to use that. So that is my alpha. So I'm going to use alpha here. So alpha. And I can see my surface. Now if I turn on this alpha and change this angle, for example, let's decrease it, let's make it very less. Yeah, you can see now. And now if I increase, you can see the perfect surface of that 3D shape. Okay, you can use animation on. Let me try that, and then I will show you. While so animation is on now, and I will try to rotate my 3D function. Yeah, so you can see, look at how accurately it is giving you a perfect surface. The speed is a bit slow, but you can see, you can rotate it and you can see what is inside. Look at